everybody, and welcome to Make It Monday. It feels like a beautiful fall day today, even though fall's not here for another week. So, because of this wonderful weather, I'm going to make one of my favorite fall recipes, and that is apple pie snack cups. We have featured it before with Read It and Eat It, and we also did it on a Food for Thought Tuesday. And today I'm going to show you how to do this recipe at home. You're going to need some really simple things that you should have in your house. You need an apple, some applesauce, some graham crackers, and some whipped cream. You will also need a cup, and you will need a small paring knife. Now, before we get started, the most important thing you can remember is to wash your hands before working with food. And I washed my hands just before we came out here to record today. So once your hands are washed, you're going to take your freshly washed apple. I used a Gala, and you can use any kind of apple that you have and that you enjoy eating. And what we're going to do with this is we're simply going to cut it into pieces. Now for my younger viewers, what I'd like you to do, if you're going to use one of these knives, I'd like you to have an adult or an older sibling watching while you do this. You can also use a butter knife if that's what you have. All right, this would also be fun to read some fall stories and then make this recipe. And we are doing a fall reading program. Anytime you watch one of our Make It Mondays or story times, they all count toward our missions. So make sure you log them on our Read Squared app. All right, and what you can see here is that I just chopped this into some really nice sized bite-sized pieces. Does this look like enough, Ben? Okay. All right, so we have these nicely chopped up apple pieces. So for the next part of this project, we're going to need some graham crackers. And I'm just gonna take 2 graham crackers, I'm gonna break them in half, just like this. I'm using a paper plate. And now here's some fun. If you've had a tough day, let's mash this up. We're gonna make some crumbs out of our graham crackers, just like this. All right. This is gonna be the crust for our apple pie cups. So I have some really nice crumbs. So you use this cup, and you take some of these crumbs to make the bottom layer. And you want to look, it's going to want to look just like this. And you're going to take some of these really delicious chopped up apples and put them right on top of your crust. And for the final step, you're going to use some applesauce. I have some cinnamon applesauce. I like the flavor, but whatever you like will work just fine. You're going to take a couple scoops and put it right on top of your apples like this. Okay? Then you're going to take some more crumbs, put them on top, take some more apples, and you're going to finish it up with just a little more applesauce. Okay? And I like to put a few more graham cracker crumbs right on top, just like this. And then if you have whipped cream at home, you can just put a sprinkle or a little dollop right on top, just like that. And the finished result is an apple pie, no bake, in a cup, and it's delicious. Next week, we are going to be giving all of the ingredients to make this at home. So stop in for a go pack at the main library, and we'd be happy to give you one while supplies last. For next week's Make It Monday, we're going to be back with another no-bake snack, and I can't wait to share that with you. So until then, I hope everybody has a wonderful week. If you try this at home, I'd love to see your finished products on our Instagram page. I'll see you next Monday. Have a great week.